Okay, everybody, this is, I guess we're going to call this live slot play. Something a little different. If you haven't checked out the Wynn Slots app, it's a lot of fun. I've been playing basically for the last 2 months or so, and haven't had a particularly good week as far as wins and losses, but I've earned almost 7,000 gems, which most often would be worth at least a couple of nights in Las Vegas. Looking to try to get to 8,000, which would give me an opportunity to book both Friday and Saturday nights on my next trip. So, just kind of thought I'd show you around the app a little bit and maybe play a few things. One thing about the app is that you get regular bonuses. Show you what I mean here with the bonus thing. There's 3 bonuses: silver, gold, and the wheel spin. The silver bonus is like every 15 minutes, but it's not very impressive. Let's check out what we got this time. You usually get around 100,000 or so. Now you notice that it says times 3. If you consistently collect these bonuses every day, you go from like 1x to 2x to 3x pretty quickly. And then as long as you keep up in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the free progress expires button there. And basically, I said, if you collect a couple of times a day, you'll continue to keep that system. So that's a way to get free points. I just accidentally opened a game. But the other thing you want to do is someone wants to send me a message. I don't think that's a real person. Anyway, in the center bottom of the screen, you'll see where it says Learn Kung Fu. And those are what are called scratcher bonuses. And that's a great way to build up your bankroll. Let's enter this one and see what it says. So that's my finger there, by the way. And so there's usually a number of challenges. Do 500 spins in any game. Collect 200 million coins in any game. Win 2 free games in any game. That can be difficult. Once in a while you get the free games. Frequently, once in a while you don't. And then an option to get 3,400,000 in one spin. If you get all 4 of those, you get a bonus scratcher, which sometimes is just another gold scratcher. And sometimes you get a platinum scratcher, which can actually earn you up to 40 million coins. Let's close that up. One of the things that people talk about in this game frequently, and I'm going to show you just because people talk about it all the time, is you can do these like little bonus spins, which can be lucrative or not so lucrative. And the Hong Bao one is very common. Doesn't want to open. There we go. So if you go in, you can play these hyper bonuses. So I'm going to let the game load. Up at the upper left-hand corner, you see where it says buy. I'm going to hit a buy. I'm going to play a 30 million hyper bonus. And you can win quite a bit on this, but you don't usually. Most of the time you kind of break even. And sometimes it just genuinely doesn't work well at all. So I'm going to play one for you. Yeah, you can hit this. So here we go. You see, you get these multipliers that'll stop it. It's not a bad start. And that's not a bad one either. Unfortunately, you see those little 3x multipliers that come on the screen? Those persist throughout your bonus. And the little dong thing actually gives you another game. But you want as many of those 3x boxes you can get, and I haven't actually got very many. I only have 3 games left. I've only won 2.9 million, so this is not a very good bonus. I need some wilds. A little bit there. So this has not been a good one at all. And so as you can see, I wagered 30 million, and I actually only came out with 13 million. That is not very good. So that's what can happen. I'm going to play it one more time for you. See if we can do a little better this time. Okay, here we go. Okay, we did actually get a couple of the 3X symbols. So that's good. We actually won like 4 something million on the first one. Not much on the last 2. And you can see we got one of the gongs, which means we now have 5 more free games instead of just 4. So let's hope we can hit a big one. Hey, we got another free game. So even if you don't get a very good hit, if you get one of the gongs, it's not so bad because you get another win. That should be pretty good. The 3X boxes are all wilds, regardless of what it says. And so what you really need to do is fill up the 3X boxes and then get plenty of wilds along the 2nd and 4th columns. Okay, we got another one. Another game, we got 4 left. That should be good. And it is. It says we got a big win. I don't know how big. Excuse the shaky camera. We're going to see how much it is. Okay, 16 million. That's pretty good. So you can see we're now well above the 30 million that we spent. Hopefully we can win even bigger. We'll cut this short. We got 2 more wins. Oh, we got another game. 12 is pretty good. Generally 10 or 11 is about as far as you get normally. So see if we can get another big one. That should be really good. I don't know. Let me see what we're going to do here. Another 16 million. One more game and we have 60 million in the bank. And we got another big win. Okay, this is one of the better wins I've ever had in this game. We got another 17 million. So as you can see, we won 77 million on that one. And that's really good. So, okay. So you can see the good, the bad, and I guess kind of the ugly out of those Hong Bao Hyper dealies. So now you can go down here where we had this challenge, and you can see already we already had the $3.4 million spin. We have gotten credit for those 21 spins. Have not won any free games, and we won 90 million, which is pretty good. So what I'll probably do here after I get off of this is go ahead and try to complete these. I won't play the Hong Bao anymore, but we'll play at a lower level and try to get the 500 spins and the free games, and then we'll see where we are on the coins. But with the gold scratchers that you're looking at, you get between 3 and 12 million additional coins. And sometimes you'll have an opportunity to earn a platinum scratcher if you meet all the bonuses. And those range from 12 to 40 million coins. So that's a great way to build up your coins. As I say, I've only been doing this for a couple of months. I have been playing quite a bit the last few weeks, but to have already earned almost 7,000 gems is pretty good. So I really like this game, so I thought I'd show it to you. Some little change of pace. Give a shout out to my friend Mark Anderson, who kind of turned me on to this, and I really started to have a really good time with it. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.